How to use multiple windows for Teams meeting for shared content. So here I am in Microsoft Teams and I'm already in a meeting. So you can see two people in the meeting right here. And these are just both my accounts. So I'm just going to use an example right here so that you can see how you can use multiple windows inside of a Teams meeting. So for example, here is my main account using the Microsoft Teams application. And then here is my other account using the browser version of Microsoft Teams. And what I will do first is that I will share a screen. So for example, I can click share right here. And then let's say I just share my Outlook application right here. From there, you will see the Outlook application right here. And then in my other Microsoft Teams account, right here, you can see the share screen. But when you have a lot of things open, as you can see, it takes up space in your Microsoft Teams meeting. Like for example, you have this people or participants sidebar right here. I can remove that so that I have a bigger view of the screen right here. But I still have this sidebar right here with along of the members of the meeting. So that still takes up some space. So if you want to use another window just for the content of the screen right here itself, there is a pop-out option right here. It says open content in new window. Now, when I click on that, we will now have a separate window for the content that is shared using the share screen. And then I now have another window just for the meeting call right here. I just have the participants and then I can talk right here, talk to the using the mic, or I can turn on the camera. And then now I have another window right here just for the screen sharing. So I have a bigger view and then I can see the screen of the person who shared the screen more clearly instead of having a smaller version right here if you use the default one. So from here, if you want to close this, you can just click X right here and then it will bring back the share screen to the original window. But as I said, you can use the pop out feature right here so that you have a bigger view of the screen right here. And then that is basically it. That is how we can use multiple windows in Teams meetings for shared content. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.